Duncan Williams kwa wajane yire. Bishop Duncan Williams wajane yire. Badu Kobi wajane yire. Bishop Salifo Amwako wajane yire. Are you people stupid?
Ebusia area we dear Queen Afia Schwar ghtrend for the good cause. Ghana for him be say for the very first time Afia be Kenyan sasem enim kranchesem na sembe no kai jebre ni ti mame aha let's talk ghtrends and any first time I put into video me so say obe subscribe ama me no click on notification bell so there latest updates be about sabiti me aka no share ama fofra be share no follow Facebook as let's talk ghtrends and a TikTok as let's talk gh no or like it and so Eddie Amami. I was saying, I say, Upo be a way controversial, any Queen Afia Schwar. Asim bia na no dem. Any say, o castle or ye won't swallow, bit my ye wam in sia boom. Na afe dear for the very first time, or becca some Ghana phone because and then the Afia ya dear. Ne wabekan and say, yen in I in 7 the best some say a ye Councillor Charlotte Oduro na warrior ni sisia a good. Ye communicate ni kunu e de ba bonte na e hwe ene letter ni mu nsem ni de ma readi ama mu nyina mate se woka e bia na won hwe video na wo share description box on ma link ni da ho mbetimi atape so na wakohwe ene no akokai ho kakra aba chesa wawe na ye tinto ntan eno na media ne so nkofo twe camera no mu bose ebi di na tem ebi ani age eno na Afia Schwar aba na obisa se aden na musumu nyame na munye nyame so mu ho adwuma Ghana for no munia was say so what you camera si wanim ajubilate over ma me na ware na sebi na munyansa e wo fom
Oye nipa chan Charlotte aware egu ama ground egu munyi sisa collective energy na mfa meje money we am kwase afford do I thought you people said the whole world the most perfect person is Nana Mama Ground. So what happened to her marriage? Because she is, in your picture, she is perfecto of perfect. And to also the negotiation saying, Moment is run a perfect. To also the negotiation saying, stop fooling. Stop fooling. Muna Jimino. Duncan Williams kwa wajane yire. Bishop Duncan Williams wajane yire. Badu Kobi wajane yire. Bishop Salifo Amwako wajane yire. Are you people stupid? Are you foolish or what? Masofo na mkokoto omani mi omo dada no. Busa sofo ma me say dada di no how many weeks ni how many years and asofo ma me fe ne twe e ma dada di no nation prophet Owusu Bempah waware 9 ni nyina agu munya jimi no no papa te ho no kobusa wo maame the abuse she's enduring in the name of kobusa maame aya no maame nsanse na onka wo papa kwase anasem chiro before you come and jubilate over somebody's downfall. What have you achieved? What have you achieved? When I was saying you have failed, so you are happy somebody's failed. Well, marriage is not a ticket to heaven. What tiny woman when the doors were tiny, what tiny, Obian will be in your room when you make a gem say Jimmy no, ya ye, meana meka, what tiny woman when the doors, what tiny Timuno, Fabi, before one side, achieve something with your life. And stop hating on people doing something with their life. What say the Americano? Do something with your life. And stop hating on people doing something with their life. You people are saying a lot. Obaye, when you do Arema and Kobiawa de Winko and in it. For Jimmy Foko. Adding. I want to find out why are you people so bitter? Why? And Romy who Councillor Charlotte or say Nikun letter. I personally I don't like that woman because of Incendia Walker. But the way I saw single people jubilating over obi divorce. It's like this generation more like here they be a friend of conscience. Conscience. Mami na worry egu ntidien. Ono the first person na worry egu. Na wo kana worry na wuti no de na te saying. Because you are enduring abuse, shame, and pain. Because you are enduring abuse, shame, and pain, so you think you are better than her? Then come up and say, "Mammy, bet now I ain't asking you to wa fair draw no more." Then come why must separate chayabe. Oh, why didn't she speak to someone? I want to know Timobi.
I see him like a dove.
You guys are so bitter. Bitterness, no 1 year few money. I mean, show. And the most people that were jubilating were single people. Sister, you do what feel crowd will be some fans and quiet on 1 year. Come up here, water bottle, quiet and fan will boost your fall. Obi a what you go in the agent. We are mumpo. You should cultivate the habit of be happy for people, be sad for people. Bible see anyone more musu. Sana Bible can't. Would you be say yeah. You are happy about everybody's downfall. And I want to ask you, is that person the reason why your mother is useless? Jimino dos wo krom Oduro Jimino the enra mo ye no wa wo ye bibia che se wo ya boa ya ntete wa wo ye no wo che se nyansa eni ufie. I'm telling you, me that woman, I don't like her utterances, but I will not come here and sit down and say, hey, and then I will and we are poor and sister, wow, we are poor. That depicts your stupidity. Well, we are sad any be no biano. Me catch her with her, and you yourself, you know, said you are stupid. You are very, very stupid. You lack wisdom. What Jimmy Ankasa? We are nipa and says you did in your mouth. Yes, she be good cramino and way. What Jimmy Ankasa? Whoever is doing some, we are very stupid. I ask you people again. You're Madam Perfect, my brother. Where do you go? And also, what can you have at home? You people are very stupid. You lack wisdom. What Jimmy? Afia Jimmy no atra border. Jimmy na doso. Mo Jimmy dodo. Mo ni nyansa. There is divorce, there is children involved, and you people are fooling like this on social media. What brother man say kwasia da moyem. Jimmy no doso. Mo no munsuo na bi mfa moyem mra. Jimmy na da mutiri mu no. And also drink lots of water. Say they be amobani biegu because you people are so stupid. Stupid is the word. Muni nyansa ba kokora. And the bloggers are and no can wait. Na no can wait. And na no you people are very foolish. You people come and tell us how many years you've been married. Come and tell us. Come and tell us. How many years I wanna walk on? And let's see the results. Munim nyansa. We are very stupid people. We are very, very, very unintelligent set of human beings. What shimmy dodo? Shimmy dodo, especially Clement, no. What shimmy too much? Stupid boy. Winning baby at on shirt of a crash. Why are you people so stupid? Why are you people so stupid? Bloggers no more blogging no. Yendi woman up and down. Yendi woman up and down. Why are you people so stupid?
Ebusiana chese de Queen Afia Schwarzenegger ewoka edefa eye Counselor Charlotte Oduro na warrior sisia ahete rocks no eho te se maame aware egu ya manfo aba na bi ka se wo sori ya na obi ntina ne kunu ho na de obegya ne kunu yese ne o se maame na amfa ahoma nso obi akon se asem a me kan bitie okan nasem yo wo betietie ne wa wontie so tena wo baabi enye sa afi na ware egu na wo bebusi saa na oka no na o kire se onze oka na o kire se mumu bi wo ho a mu betina ware mu ase kum kwa na matena mama mawu saa nka maame ne tena mu no wu ya na mabeka saa denti na wa meka denti na ware na gu so amukro ya mo se sere no o say be your brother's keeper sere ya ni furo ni we na moye ni nyina no Queen Afia Schwarzenegger say esu ni mfaso for the very first time me kra no me ne ya agi because ehuro bebrebe ne esu ni mfaso aware gya ye nkora wo mo ye dwene nkora no say ba papa say what we obi a we are victim of our gya you will understand say enya di papa bia what I say aha me di many ebi ensem ni chi any update baba me di ebe bro follow your Facebook as let's talk ghtrends and a TikTok also as let's talk gh me ding ede na neki asanto makram